Hello, welcome to Ask Brother.
For more updates, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell option. Due to this, you will get notification automatically.
Hello, I am back. Welcome to Ask Brother. I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is very interesting. I will tell you how to download a video from YouTube. I know you all want to download video from YouTube, so I am making this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, let's go. First, open your YouTube and search here any tag, any video. I'm writing here bike. Now I am going to saving this video. You have to save this video which one you like. Okay. First click on the video which you want to save. After opening the video, pause it, and now you can see that here the browser. Click here and write www.ss. Write double S after the www. Now write here double S. You can see that I'm writing here. Now press enter. Now you can see that it's working. Now wait a few seconds. Here you can see that this is the video which I want to save it. Here you can see that there's download option you can. Now you have to choose the format. I am choosing 360 because my net problem. Now I'm choosing MP4 360. After choosing this, it will automatically download it. You can see that here 6 MB. The video playback, this will take some time. You can see that it's downloading. Guys, I want to tell you one thing. I'm converting my channel to tech channel. Before 1 month I'm making videos on tutorials, Photoshop and Illustrator, but I'm not getting views, so I decided to convert this channel to tech channel. I hope you will enjoy this, and please subscribe my channel. Here you can see that the video is downloaded. Click on the video. I'm clicking here. You can see that the video is downloaded. Here. Now I'm closing this. I hope guys you will enjoy it, and if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Soon I will come with more attractive videos. If you have any idea, then please give me, so I will make my video on your idea. Thanks and goodbye. Take care of yourself.
If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.